Clothing is another area that has changed quite significantly, and you're going to see that in the next video. Just looking at the difference between previously, we would have had to have had natural fibers, so things like wool and cotton, and somebody would have had to have spun the thread by hand and then weave it by hand as well. But or maybe they use things like furs and that sort of stuff. Nowadays, of course, we have synthetic fibers, so fibers that are made out of plastic or petroleum products, and they are amazing in the sense that we can get them to do kind of what we want, maybe be more fluffy, so it's a warmer material, kind of like fleece, or maybe we want it to be a sleek material that's waterproof, like Gore-Tex, that a lot of rain jackets are made out of. The difference between these two types is quite obvious. Back in the day, in order to make something waterproof, we would have had to have taken, a fur jacket or, something like that was naturally waterproof, or we would have had to have actually put oil on the cloth, the cotton that our jacket was made out of, so that the water wouldn't have penetrated. Which, wearing a greasy jacket would have been quite disgusting, actually. Nowadays, though, we have these synthetic fibers that are, in and of themselves, water resistant. So depending upon how we weave them, we end up getting something that can be 100% waterproof without being oily.